Cable TV used to be the best way to watch your favorite shows, movies, and sports teams, but not anymore. Today, cable is expensive, outdated, and riddled with frustrating contracts and hidden fees. Lots of people save by streaming, but cutting the cord can feel complicated and confusing. Until now. We're partnering with MyBundle to make it easy to stream your entertainment and save in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Get high-speed internet you can rely on to stream your shows without buffering or crashing. Step 2. Get a smart TV or purchase a streaming device like a Roku or Fire Stick to enable streaming on your existing television. Step 3. Simply go online, answer a few questions about your favorite shows and channels, and MyBundle will create a personalized streaming bundle to fit your interests and budget. From there, you can discover new shows, watch local TV, and stream your favorite sports, all from one convenient profile. No contracts, no hidden fees, no headaches. Just a personalized streaming experience powered by your high-speed internet connection. Build your bundle online to start streaming and saving today.